Good morning, children. So this year, this is first time through video we started classes, online classes. Unfortunately, so and in this way we want to meet, right? That's why yesterday, the previous class, I discussed with you the types of the type of syllabus and regarding the US syllabus and how many units and what are the topics and vocabulary, how we have to learn. This is the previous class. And today I want to start the lessons from unit 1, reading A. Reading A లో ఉన్నది ఏంటంటే the snake on the mirror. The snake on the mirror. The snake on the mirror. The snake and the mirror. This is the first class and unit 1 reading A. Before I start this lesson, let us learn glossary regarding this. Glossary. So don't think glossary ante ente idi kotta word anukodandi. It is nothing but meanings. Okay. It is nothing but meanings and we have to learn. So I will write on the board so that you also take the notebook and read, write this. The first one, full-blooded. Which means the strong. So strong. And the second one, meager. MEAGRE. That means small in quantity. So everyone must write notebook. And third one, solitary. That means single. And the fourth one, vest, which means a garment worn under a shirt. Okay, here that was me. And the fifth one is gabble. GABLE. Gabble. So upper part of part of upper part of a wall, upper part of a wall, below a sloping roof, a sloping roof, a sloping roof. And next one, parting, 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 parting. So a line on a line on a person, person's head, which means people they used to comb their hair and parting in Telugu papeta antaru danni emadante parting అని అంటారు. And face, seventh one, face, P-A-C-E, face. Face means to walk up and down, to walk up and down, to walk up and down many times, many times, many times. And eighth one, third, T-H-U-D, third, third. A dull, here a dull sound, made when a heavy object falls. And next one, wriggled, W-R-I-Z-Z-L-E-D, wriggled in the sense moved by twisting and turning, twisting or turning. Please all of you write this vocabulary. Next one, slighter. Next word, slighter. S-L-I-T-H-E-R-E-D, slighter. That means moved or glided, And 11th one, quarters. So parts of the body. Parts of the body. And next one, hood, H-O-O-D, hood. What are you writing? Food. Here a food. Here a food. Like structure. Like structure. Like structure on the head of snake. Head of snake. Right. Molt. Next third one. Next 13th one. Molten. Molten. Next, the molten word hated. 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 To everyone, to a very, to a very high temperature. High temperature. Temperature. Right? And next one, luck. L-U-R-K, luck. That means to be or be about. Be about. Be about. Or lie with. Lie with. Lie with. Lie it. Sorry. Lie in. Lie in wait. Lie in wait. And 15th one, mascara. Mascara. So a substance put on eyelashes. To make them dark. Right? And next one. Now write. The 16th one, vermilion. Vermilion, a bright red. A bright red in color. A bright red in color. And 17th one, I was no image cut in granite. So that means the doctor no longer stood there like a statue. Okay, and Next, 18th one, a man of flesh and blood. Next, a man of flesh and blood, which means a normal man. First of all, you have to note it down all this glossary because you need to learn this one. After that, and I will teach you lesson. And few things are ready. Few things are there. First, you need to note it down. And 19th one, greedy, which means not pleasant, and 20th one, sprinter, which means a fast runner, 21, take with, that means attracted by. So here the vocabulary or glossary, or it also known as the meanings, you have to note it down and read. Come next class. All of you note it down.